There are many inspirational stories about how people became rich, but one story that comes to mind is that of Warren Buffett, one of the wealthiest people in the world. Buffett was born in 1930 in Omaha, Nebraska. He showed an early interest in investing and business, and by the age of 11, he had already purchased his first stock. Despite his interest in investing, Buffett was not an overnight success. He attended the University of Nebraska and then went on to graduate school at Columbia University. While at Columbia, he studied under Benjamin Graham, a renowned investor who would become his mentor and influence his investment philosophy. After graduating, Buffett worked as a stockbroker and then started his own investment partnership. In 1965, he took control of a struggling textile company called Berkshire Hathaway. Instead of continuing to produce textiles, Buffett focused on investing the company's profits in other businesses. Over the years, Buffett made many shrewd investments, including buying shares in companies such as Coca-Cola, American Express, and Gillette. He also invested heavily in the insurance industry, acquiring companies such as Geico and using their float to make further investments. Through his careful investing and wise business decisions, Buffett became one of the richest people in the world. However, despite his immense wealth, he has remained humble and focused on giving back. He has pledged to give away the majority of his fortune to charity, and he continues to live a modest lifestyle. The story of Warren Buffett shows that becoming rich is not about getting rich quick or taking big risks. It's about making wise investments, focusing on the long term, and living below your means. With patience, hard work, and a bit of luck, anyone can achieve financial success and become a wealthy person.